Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm wearing some green ombre magnetic lashes that I got on Amazon. And I also got some magnetic curly colored liner. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And this look was pretty much a bit of a struggle because I didn't realize that the colored magnetic liner wouldn't adhere the lashes. So I'm so glad that I was doing this on my off day versus me trying to do it on a day that I have to go to work. And I'm sending it back to Amazon, so it's best to use the black liquid eyeliner versus that colored liner. But anyway, I'm gonna do my brows. Brush my brow hairs with a spoolie and take the NYX Control Freak brow gel and do what I normally do. Okay, so this is the eyeliner, New Age magnetic eyeliner, and it's like a liquid eyeliner, like metallic, and it says to let it dry down completely so you can put the lashes on. But I noticed that as I was doing this eye, that my other eye, the lashes was lifting. So I said, let me just try it on this eye to see if I can get it to stick, and then I'll fix the other eye. And you have to shake it to activate the magnets or whatever. And it's really hard for me not to get this on my natural lashes because they're already long. But I realized that that wasn't the case. They wasn't going to stick, so I had to take my lashes off and remove the green liner and go with the black one. But you're going to see my struggle right now. And I'm new to the lash game. Like, I just started doing lashes this week. But it also says to bend the lashes to make them easier to get on your eye. It's very hard to do this on camera too, because I usually be way more into the mirror. See, it wasn't sticking. So I took it off and I'm just going to use it black. I kind of messed up with this eye and made it a little bit too thick, so it's best to get it as close to your lash line as possible so the magnets will only stick where the liner is, so you won't have to be struggling like I was today to get it, closer to your lash line. But like I said, I'm new to the lash game. Maybe in a couple of weeks or so I'll be better at it. That's why I've been trying to do them every day so I can get used to them. So I'm just letting it dry so it can get a little tacky. And you just keep moving it around until it's the area that you want it placed and it's stuck to the magnet, because it kind of was sticking to my lash because I accidentally got some of that liner on my natural lashes, so I was trying to make sure it was actually on my eyelid and not stuck to my lash. And then I'm just pressing the magnetic lashes with my natural lashes to try to get them as close together as I can so it's not like a really big gap. Then I'm also using the tweezers to press down on the magnets. Now I'm just going to use this green eyeshadow from Mistake Cosmetics Money to smoke out my lower lash line. I was going to do a wing liner, but I didn't have time for that, messing around with these damn lashes, and I had a doctor's appointment to get to, so I just left it alone. But I kind of didn't need it because the lashes brought my eyes out, and I had a piece of lint in my eye, literally in my tear duct. That's why I started bleaking all crazy. I'm glad I was able to get it out without messing up my eyeliner. I'm just applying some mascara to my lower lashes. Tarte Maneater. Then I'm just going to take this shade from my BoxyCharm palette to highlight my brow bone, and I'm also going to use that to highlight the inner part of my eye. And here's a completed look. It was really a struggle today, but thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support, and I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. And I will try to post the New Year's Eve look and a New Year's Day look, but I may only have time to do one. But yeah, see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. He's why I choose you. You're the one.